after you've downloaded Apache Office, just double click on the install file. And a window will pop up asking if you'd like to allow this app to make changes to your PC. You just hit yes. And then hit next and unpack. You can download OpenOffice at openoffice.org. There's a link. The second option down the page is I want to download OpenOffice. Those directions, as well as a lot of other tips and hints, are found in our new ebook Windows Wisdom, which can be found at nimblenerds.com.au, and on the right hand side of the page there's a link to our new ebook, which informs people of a lot of different free software as well as tips and hints on how to save money through a number of different ways with their computer. So after that setup process, just hit next again. You can give a username for whoever needs to use the Office applications. Just hit next with anyone who uses this computer selected. A typical installation is fine, so just hit next again and then click install. And then just click finish. It will then place an icon on your desktop for OpenOffice, so you can just double click on the OpenOffice icon, hit next, pop in your first and last name if you'd like to, and hit finish. And then you can choose from the standard Microsoft Office applications to do things such as creating a text document, or you can also make a spreadsheet or a presentation, so the alternative to using PowerPoint and Excel. And then there's also the ability to draw and create databases like Access allows you to do. And that's it.